DAO is Decentralized Autonomous Organization, a new way to organize people and money, using code instead of CEOs. No headquarters, no managers, just smart contracts, token holders, and on-chain rules. DAOs let people propose ideas, vote on decisions, manage shared fund, work together, transparently. There are many types of DAOs, but here are 3 you should know. Protocol DAO. These DAOs govern crypto infrastructure, like DeFi, staking, or bridges. Example: Lido DAO runs Ethereum's largest liquid staking system. Holders vote on where to stake, how to award, and how to grow. It helps secure Ethereum without central control. Community DAO, formed around culture, memes, or shared missions. Example: PizzaDAO throws Bitcoin Pizza Day parties in over 400 cities worldwide, funded by NFTs, sponsors, and community support. They've shown DAOs can create real-world joy and global coordination. Did you join a PizzaDAO party this year? Social Impact DAO, focused on public goods and humanitarian goals. Example: Primero DAO, supported by UNICEF, helps protect children in more than 80 countries. It connects social workers, NGOs, and governments, all on-chain. Proof that DAOs can drive real impact, not just crypto gains. Whether you're into protocols, culture, or public good, there's a DAO for that. Which one would you join? Tell us in the comment.